When it comes to flooring, beauty must be more than skin deep. Welcome to Changzhou Enhanced New Material Technology in China, where durability meets world-class design. This is SPC flooring, waterproof, fire-resistant, and built to last a lifetime. Inside our state-of-the-art facility, precision is our standard. Our fully automated production lines ensure that every plank is engineered with exact specifications. From the high-density stone polymer core to the high-definition real layers, our machines work tirelessly to provide a product that stands up to heavy foot traffic and daily wear. Human expertise combined with advanced technology means every shipment leaving our factory meets the highest international standards. We don't just manufacture flooring, we export confidence. Today, Changzhou Enhanced Flooring is trusted by builders and designers across Europe, the Americas, and the Middle East. Whether it's a residential home or a commercial project, we provide the foundation for spaces all over the globe. Upgrade your project with the best in SPC technology. Contact Changzhou Enhance today for all types of flooring solutions, quality you can stand on.